Hey friends, how are you? We are here. It is the moment that I have been waiting for. Have you been waiting for it? We are here to finish Mini Madness, hopefully. So I do not know how much this is going to take to finish, but I'm going to explain what I'm gonna do, and we're gonna see if we can get her done today. So this is my Would You Rather Taco Edition Savings Challenge binder. It's available in my Etsy shop. I do have some other versions, a Christmas version, a travel version. There are a few more as well. Basically, these are scratch offs. You choose whichever one you'd prefer. You scratch off the circle and then you save the amount. However, because I wanted to save more, I'm doing a spicy version. So I created some rules for myself just so that I can save more, and let's hope it doesn't get me into trouble today. I did have an IOU on this. I paid that in my last video, so we're starting fresh. Also, in my last video, I did have $12 left over that I saved to go towards this. And so what we're going to do is we're going to see how much this takes to finish, and I'm willing to put in up to an additional 50 bucks. So we have $62 total to finish this. Will that finish it? I'm sure hoping so, because it's only 1.5 pages left here. So I definitely think that should do it. But then again, sorry, I'm gonna silence that. Then again, you just never know. So if there's anything left over from the 50, I'm just gonna, okay, let me backtrack. This 50 is from a bank account buffer. This 12 is left over from my Etsy payout. Again, you saw that in the prior video, but this is from a bank account buffer. So if I don't need the whole 50, I'm only going to take out what I do need to finish this and then leave the rest in the bank account as a buffer to go towards potentially another video or whatever. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. So we have $62 total. Let's see, I was gonna subtract, but I think I'll just add up what we need. That way I can see, yeah, that way I can like see how much I'm gonna actually take. Okay, can you tell I'm hoping we don't use that full 50? All right, so I think this video is gonna be pretty quick. Again, we only have one full page and then one scratch off left here. Now this scratch off is the second scratch off on a page, so per the rules I created for myself, for the second scratch we roll a die and we multiply the two numbers. And what I have been using is this die that has just 1, 2, and 3 on it, just so that it doesn't get super out of hand. So let's scratch this, roll the die, and see what our first number is. Ooh, it's a 1. Yes, we love, love, love that. So let's roll the die and see what we have. We have a 3, so that's going to be $3. Perfect. And let's go on to the last page. Yes. This video is going to be super duper short. Okay, so the last question is mild or spicy. I'm going mild all the way. I do not like spicy things. I don't eat spicy things. Yeah, I do like chicken wings. And sometimes, you know, they can be a little bit spicy, but for the most part, I stay away from all things spicy. Okay, so we have $6 here. And so again, to reference my little rules that I created for myself, if the number's between 1 and 5, we triple it. If it's between 6 and 9, we double it. So 6, that's going to be 12. Okay, and then we have this last dot to scratch. We're going to scratch it and then we're going to multiply. Okay, so this is a 5. All right, so let's take the die, we're gonna roll it, and then we're gonna multiply and see what our last number is. Okay, it was a 2, so that is $10, which means We only need $25 left to finish this. Ah, yes. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I am going to, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna make change for the 50. Okay, and then only put in $25 total because that's just the way I work. Yeah, I could subtract it on the calculator, I guess, but I'm just not going to. Okay, so 20, 40, 45, and 50, and we'll put the 50 back. And then we only need 25 of this, right? So the rest of this is going to go back. Now, let me see. The $12 I did have left over from the Etsy payout. So I'm actually only taking $13 from my bank account buffer. What? That's awesome. So that means we should potentially be able to have another video, another extra little bonus video. I don't know what I'm gonna do for that. Maybe I will start a new mini madness. We will see. But here's what I need to do. Before I stuff this in the envelope, I need to write this down because you guys know I'm just gonna immediately forget it. Okay, so I made a little note for myself. This is my last Etsy payout, you guys. Once again, you saw that stuffing. $5.42 is gonna go to Ally. $13 from my bank account is also going to go to Ally, so I will transfer that after we're finished. This is going to go to my finished challenge envelope, but before we do that, let's add the money in and see what it totals so I could write the total on there. And then I will let you all go. Now, I finished the Skelly book. You guys saw that in the last video. This was going to go towards the Skelly book, but because I finished it, this money is going to go towards my next large challenge, which I believe I know what I'm going to do. I just have to look through my challenges really quick and decide. So look for that coming soon. We'll be able to do a stuffing of this money. Okay, so we have 50, 100, 150, 70, 90, 210, 230, 250, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, ooh, 300, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 309. Yeah, baby. Yes. 309. Love that for me so much. So 309, I'm gonna write that on here, and again I'm gonna pop this into the envelope. What I might do is I might take it off the rings and only pop this part into the envelope just so it doesn't get too bulky. Although it's a big envelope, it could definitely hold that. But yeah, I will do that, of course, off camera. And that is it for this shorty little quickie, my friends. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I'm so grateful that you're here. I'm so grateful I only needed $13 extra to finish that. And look out soon again for a stuffing now of the mini madness to go towards a larger challenge. Yes. Okay. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I love you guys so much. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.